Let's log in quickly. And once we log in, it takes us to the page where I can see the classes we have set up. If I click on this class, it will take me to the dashboard. This is where all the components of RAMP are available. I'm going to click quickly on Students to show that all of your students would be listed here in alphabetical order with their PIN number and any other important demographic information. Clicking on the Scores tab gives me the opportunity to view all of the previous recorded scores. I can manage the scores by editing scores if I need to, and I can also hand enter scores by student or by class. There are two other tabs here, the Points Ledger and the Print Preview, that are under development. The Points Ledger will track all points a student may earn and spend within the RAMP system. Print Preview will allow a teacher to view a complete list of learning targets across disciplines and to print a hard copy of digital student assessments if needed.